and welcome back to my channel. So today I am really excited. I'm gonna be testing out some new Colourpop products for you guys. I got the Celestial collection, so I have all 4 of the Luxe glosses, I have the 2 blushes, I have 1 of the palettes. I'm really excited to show you guys like how I'm gonna create a look with it. I was really excited about the palette. I could not wait for it to come. So I just got it in the mail yesterday and I am ready to do this review for you guys. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, do the things, and I hope everyone is being safe in this chaotic time and that all of you guys are doing all right. So let's jump into the review. All right, so I have the She's Got Solstice palette. And this is such a cute little packaging. I love it. Go look at how cute that is. So when you open it up, here is the palette and here is like the whole color story. So I'm really interested in this like green shimmer down here. So I'm actually going to be using all 4 of the corners today. I am going to start out with this color up here. It is Quasar. I absolutely adore all of the names in this palette too. So I already have my eyes primed with the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. I should probably explain why I'm in my car. So I am still considered an essential worker due to the fact that I do work for a financial institution. So I'm here. So I'm just really focusing this initial color like right on the crease, like right, and blending it right under the brow bone. So I do want this color to be seen. So I'm just kind of flicking it out. So next I'm going to take this really fluffy Morphe brush and I'm going to go into Chromosphere. And I'm just going to concentrate this on the outer V. And blend that into the crease as well. All right, so I'm gonna take my NYX glitter glue and I'm going to put it on this e.l.f. concealer brush. So it's just a pressed packer brush, essentially, but they do say it is for concealer. And I am going to take the glitter glue and actually cut my crease with it. But I'm not doing like a super precise cut crease because I do have to get to work in 15 minutes. I'm going to be grabbing that green down here in the bottom. So very excited about this. I haven't actually worn green eyeshadow in quite some time. Oh my gosh, look at that shimmer, you guys. Ooh. I'm just taking it on my finger and pressing it all in to cover that glitter glue. And then I'm just going to lightly tap it on the outside and then go back in with that fluffy Morphe brush and Chromosphere and just really get all of this blended in this outer corner together. That is stunning. Oh my gosh. So I do just want to take a little bit more of Quasar and I'm really just going to blend the top just to really get that like blown out effect. I don't know why it's not registering like that much on camera, but in person, this is a stunning combination. Oh my gosh. Just to finish up this eye, I am going to take So Serious right here on this tiny little Morphe brush, and I am just going to do that right under the arch of my brow, just like that, and then right in the inner corner. Then I'm going to be taking this Morphe pencil brush and I'm going to dip it into Chromosphere and really concentrate that up against the lash line here. And on this more pressed Morphe brush, I'm gonna go back into Quasar and I'm gonna go right underneath that and really smoke it out to give that super blown out effect and connect it on the outside. All right, I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I will be right back with blushes. All right, so next up, we do have the two blushes. So this one is more of like a pinky, like kind of blush. And then this one is more of like a terracotta orangey kind of blush. So I am gonna use the pinky blush today. So the terracotta one is called Meteorite. Sometimes Colourpop really does have like really punny names for stuff. And then, so the blush I'm gonna be using is the Interstellar blush. Very, very, very pretty. I love the color because it's not super, super like pow, but it does give that really, really nice flush to the skin. I like it. It made my cheeks come alive. All right, so now we have the Luxe glosses, which I think is going to be the hardest one for me. Okay, so there is, I feel like I was only supposed to buy the green packaging. I got the whole collection aside from the other palette. So the other palette, I do have like those types of colors. So let's see, we have Tied Up, Overnight, Come Through, and Staying Up. So we have those shades. And I think I am going to go with Staying Up. But I'm going to go ahead and do swatches for you guys. Ooh, look at that. So I've heard very, very, very good things about their Luxe glosses. So right here, I will show you guys all of the swatches of the entire palette and all of the Luxe glosses and also both of those blushes so you guys can really see what they look like. But starting from left to right, we have Come Through, which is really, really sheer gloss. Then Overnight, those are the two that come in the green packaging. Then we have Tied Up and Staying Up, and those ones came in the purple packaging, and Staying Up is the one that I put on for my look today. All right, so for more swatches, I'm going to start on the top here, those two that are there. So those are the two blushes. So the one on the left is Interstellar, and that's the one that I put on today. And then this one right here is Meteorite. Now the swatches on my arm from left to right, we have Chromosphere, then Earth Angel, then Mars, then Super Stardust, Estrella, Nova, Quasar, Big Bang, and So Serious. All right, so I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. So far, I love everything. It is great Colourpop quality, like always. I have never seen a bad Colourpop review because why would there be? The quality is great, the price is great, you really can't beat it, but I am really excited to use this palette more and create more different looks with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it more than you'll ever know, and I will see you on my next video.